Hi, I'm Kyle Wilson, and right now I'm walking along the River Erict in Blairgowrie. I've just got back to Blairgowrie. I was in Edinburgh for the past few weeks trying to film my first travel guide, so I'm really excited to share the travel guide for the upcoming Blairgowrie series, which starts in Edinburgh and ends here in Blairgowrie. And I'm basically walking along the river, and it's just really beautiful today. It's very cold. It's obviously we're in autumn now, so all of the trees have their leaves coming off, but they're really colourful right now. Lots of yellows and oranges. The water is quite calm. We've had some rain this past few weeks, but we haven't had any for the past couple of days, so the water is quite calm at the moment. Usually you can see they've got barriers here, but the water does not usually get as high as these barriers, but it doesn't get too far off it when it's been raining for a few days. But you can see right over there, that is the, I'm not quite sure what you call that at the moment. I need to have a look at that. A dam, maybe? That dam used to be, when we look at it from here, it's broken. Like I think it used to be like a proper dam that was properly built, but over the years it's been broken down. I'm pretty sure that might have happened when the mills along here stopped working. They used to do flax and jute here. They used to spin flax and jute in the mills just further down. They've got a couple of mills further down, and that's where all the workers in Blairgowrie a number of years ago used to have most of their employment before they shut down. And I think they shut down because there was bigger flax and jute mills that were brought up near Dundee, which is a city not too far from here, which meant that these guys in Blairgowrie couldn't compete with them, so they had to close down. Yeah, that's it. This is the River Erict. I can't wait to show you this part of the series in proper detail. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm basically just taking a stroll along the river. I'm basically preparing for the Blairgowrie series, so yeah, just getting my shot lists. I'm not really going too in depth with it today. I'm just having a walk along just to kind of get the shot list, kind of have an idea of what I want to show you in the travel guide. So I'm basically just picking off some bits along the river that I quite like to show in the guide that I think might be quite interesting. Also, we've got nice little beaches down there as well. That's one of the beautiful things about this place in the summer, is that when there's not very much rain, obviously the water levels go down, and then we start to see kind of small beaches that are not that stony. Most of the beaches in Scotland are quite stony, so lots of stones, not very much sand, not like Australia. But parts of this river, when the water gets lower, there is a lot of sandy bits, which is quite nice in the summertime if you're wanting a picnic or something. Look at this as well. This is quite nice. It's quite nice as well. Yep. So it is really beautiful down here, and I can't wait to show you this place. Yeah. Next stop is Perth. I've been spending this morning planning my trip to Perth. accommodation to review and top places to go and see and do in Perth, and planning my shot list and where I want to film and all this kind of stuff. So I was doing that this morning. Now I'm having a walk this afternoon, picking off some bits and pieces that I'd like to show when we arrive in Blairgowrie. And all is fine. Beautiful place, cold day, quite windy, water levels are low, quite scenic, lots of colours, autumn is here, leaves are falling, it's beautiful.